Have you ever wondered why so few people achieve wealth while the rest struggle? Today we uncover the hidden truths behind the wealth gap and why 99.9% of us can never get rich. 1. The wealth gap. Economic inequality is at an all-time high. In the US, the top 1% holds more wealth than the bottom 90% combined. The share of income going to middle and lower income households has plummeted, while upper income families have seen a disproportionate rise. But why? It's a mix of systemic factors and personal challenges. 2. Structural challenges. Access to wealth often starts with advantages in education, inheritance, and networking. A Pew Research study found that 65% of Americans believe the rich stay wealthy due to their life advantages, not just hard work. For those born into lower-income families, limited access to quality education and financial resources creates a cycle that's hard to escape. Meanwhile, wages for most jobs have stagnated. The richest 5% have seen their incomes grow by over 3% annually since the 1980s, while the poorest barely keep up with inflation. 3. Psychological and behavioral barriers. Modern life brings new challenges. Social media amplifies the pressure to spend rather than save, and many fall victim to lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation refers to the tendency to increase spending as income rises. Instead of saving or investing the additional income, people often upgrade their lifestyle, such as buying luxury items, dining out more, or moving to a bigger home, leading to higher expenses that can make saving for long-term goals difficult. This phenomenon often prevents individuals from building wealth despite earning more, as their higher income is offset by a more expensive lifestyle. Combined with a lack of financial literacy, even middle-class earners find it hard to build wealth. Add in debt traps like student loans and high-interest credit cards, and the road to wealth becomes even steeper. 4. The role of policies and corporations. Policies also play a huge role. Tax systems often favor the wealthy, enabling them to grow their fortunes while middle and lower class earners bear a heavier burden. Large corporations focus on profit, sometimes at the expense of fair wages and job stability. 5. Can the cycle be ever broken? Is there a way out? Yes, but it requires a shift in mindset and policy. Start by prioritizing financial education, minimizing debt, and investing early. At a societal level, reforms in taxation, education, and wage policies can create opportunities for upward mobility. While not everyone can join the 1%, understanding these dynamics can help us take control of our financial future. So let's start small but think big, because wealth isn't just about money, it's about opportunity and choice. Subscribe for more insights into the world's biggest questions.